So here now we're going to answer question 5, which is basically just updating some global variables and adding some extra cuts to our part. So again, each question should be saved as its own file. So let's now create a new file. Let's call it question 5. So question 5. And let's see. So let's see what changes. 35 millimeters, 14. 20 millimeters. Well, now this has become wider. This radius has changed. This radius has changed. We're adding a new through all cut. So let's go ahead and make the necessary changes first. So in this top view, the radius or radii is now 10. So this radius is supposed to be 10. So I can just double click on the dimension and type in 10. And same thing here, this should be 10. So I'm gonna double click here and type in 10. And is anything else about the sketch change? This is still 1435. They still have that relationship, AA. All right, let's save that. Actually, let's go here and make sure so I do need to update my variables because I think this was 10 before. So just go to, you can right click your equations and select manage equations, 50, and now this is supposed to be 15. And press enter, equals b plus 20, press OK. And SolidWorks is taking a while to load on me. There we go. So it looks like some parts change because now this cut is see-through. So hopefully, so this depth also changes. So now instead of this being 8 millimeters deep, it's now 3 millimeters. So let's change that to 3. So now that's 3 millimeters deep. And now that part looks correct. And then this, so the B, this is automatically updated. This circle's still the same, so we're adding a cut here, but let's first add this through all cut. So Control 5 is the top view, sketch. I want to draw on this face. And I need to just draw a circle anywhere, doesn't matter. And now let's specify the diameter. The diameter is going to be 10, right? And that's evident right here. And the horizontal distance from here and the vertical line is supposed to be 45. And the vertical distance is supposed to be 15. And then whenever I make cuts or extrusions, I just like to go to isometric to make sure that it's the right way. So extrude cut, and I'm just going to do it through all. Let's see, did these radii change? The radii is now 8. For some reason it says 5 radii, but then I only see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure what the 5th radii would be. But so let's edit this sketch. And now these radii are 8 instead of 5. So just double click on the dimension, type in 8, press enter. And now this distance is no longer 15, it's 25. Let's make the distance here 25. And then press OK. That's the only changes there. Because the offset is still 5 millimeters in. And again, I should probably label these cuts, that way I can go back to them easy. These would be front cuts, right? This would be the top cut. And now I just need to add these cuts here, which look like two triangles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again sketch on this plane, on this flat face that is. I want to see the entire part. So sketch. And here I'm just making a triangle with a horizontal distance of 20. Boom, and then let's connect the lines. Let's smart dimension this. Smart dimension is supposed to be 20. And then this vertical distance is supposed to be 20. And SolidWorks can keep up. Center. And then it looks like we have the same cut along this horizontal line. So let's try to mirror it. So let's mirror, and we're going to mirror it about this horizontal line. Press OK. So now the two triangles are added, and features, extruded cut. And we're just going to do a through all. And so for some reason I have to select the two contours, and that's likely just because they're sharing a point here. So I need to select this cut and this cut. Press OK. So that looks like our final part, right? Fortunately, we can't see the back view of this, but if I look at this at the front view, it does look pretty identical to what I'm supposed to have here. Section BB. And if I go to top view, it also looks pretty similar. I have this now line there. There's a line here. And now I can just go to my isometric, go to evaluate, and look at the mass properties, because it asks for the final mass. So the final mass of this part would be 271.68 grams. Thank you for watching.